Good morning, traders. Manny Cabrera, co-founder of MDC Trading Academy, with our New Year's pre-market forecast for today, Monday, January 6th. Happy New Year to all of our friends and our family of this Trading Academy. I hope that you had a great holiday with your family. We did here in the United States. Hopefully, wherever you are, wherever you celebrated, you enjoyed it as well. Eager to begin a new year. Let's quickly jump to our news items for this week. News items for the week. We have nothing on the docket for today. We do get busy during the week, beginning on Tuesday at 10 a.m. with the ISM non-manufacturing PMI, and go on there to Wednesday at 10:30. We have crude inventory. Remember all of the issues we're having nowadays with the Iranian situation. Oil prices are being affected quite a bit, so this is a very important number. Okay, this is going to be I think it's going to be a market mover this week. And the rest of the week is just average reports. You keep your eyes open for that. Let's quickly jump to our analysis chart here, to our daily chart. Coming off all-time highs, same pattern as last year, all-time highs coming off. Finding first support at the 20. That's probably going to be our first attempt this morning, probably around 3202 to 3200. Probably going to be our first move to the downside. We can see that. We'll see that more clearly coming up. We've had our average volume is about 964,000. Our ATR is healthy at 24. We have several key areas of support if the market wants to move lower. This 20, obviously the 50. This 80 here is one of the key ones here, and ultimately the 200 that has confluence with this trend line here. Keep your eyes open on the reaction coming off the 200 SMA. Let's quickly jump to a longer term chart here, one that we can see more clearly what's going on in this market. And here we go. What we have here, coming off the all-time highs, we had the huge spike to the downside. Market found a bottom, and then it came up here and pretty much consolidated for a while here within these two areas here. Pretty much just consolidation between the two areas. We created a double top. That created the reaction. Obviously, we have this looming gap right in here. You can't miss this gap. I have it depicted in other time frames to see it more clearly. But here are our objective prices. I believe that 3200, which is this round here, around 3200 to 3202, right around this area is probably going to be our first attempt in this market today. We have a clear trend line coming in. I think I have it. Let's see. Everything just moved on me here. I think I have it here. I have it here. Coming off the all-time highs, clear compression. We have two trend lines, one a longer term trend line, which is this one right here, and a short term and an immediate one, which is this one right here. The market just tried to retest it here. And here are our price objectives for today if it runs quickly to the downside. So our first attempt is to the downside. As long as we remain behind and below this trend line here and below yesterday's intraday high or Friday's intraday low, sorry. So as we remain behind this downtrend trend line and or below this intraday low, we're expecting more movement to the downside, potentially to this area here and further down to 3200, 3202, right around that area with the 20 SMA, and expected reaction there. We can see it more clearly in our trade chart here. There's our huge gap. Market did try to fill it. It filled quite a bit of it, but still it's a little short. You know how markets love fill gaps. Here's our trend line to the upside. This trend line, there's compression between this short-term short one and this long-term to the upside. Here's our confirmation of the break. As the markets break this trend, as they come and retest it, first it was supported and became resistant. That's the confirmation that the market has potential to move lower, and so in fact that's exactly what it did. So that's, like I said, like I mentioned to you, that's our first move to the downside is today. That's the first thing we're expecting, is moving the market down, and our first target is going to be somewhere right along this area here, and ultimately down to 3200. All right, have a great trading session. Let me know if you have any questions. Take care.